So when we talk with the customer, the first thing I always like to do is understand their goals. And we have a conversation to make sure, one, we're the right solution partner for them. And once we do that, then we try to understand from our technical team how we can help people. Quick example, Ameren in St. Louis, a large customer of ours. I've worked with them for about 25 years. They were looking to move to a new system. So we helped them move from another system to Autodesk Vault and AutoCAD software. And our main contact won the President Award. So we like when the solutions achieve a couple things, right? So our customers achieve their goals, Autodesk's technology is used to achieve those goals, and we're there in the middle to ensure that we've scoped the project correctly and the results are what customers are after. So a nice thing about that project was once they achieved that goal in their division, a couple of years later, other divisions of Ameren wanted to also do the same thing. And shockingly, she won an award a couple of years later doing the same thing for other groups. So it was a really good solution, good result for the company, and then our role with the company.